first! You're cutting in too much!
Come on, ladies! This isn't the place to make a scene! Miss, please go ahead!
I told you it was useless to fight me for that spot.
Congratulations! You'll get to fly on the super sparkly silver airplane!
That's exactly what matches my level of class.
Forget her! I've got to check in or I'll be late! Congratulations! You'll be flying on the golden airplane!
What? A golden plane?
Look closely! Here! Na-na-na-na-na!
Seriously?
Let's get a few things ready.
Hey! Where are you going?
Let's go with the pill box. The pills! Move away! Now, let's wrap it in silver. Then, we decorate them with precious gems. The gemstones will make the suitcase stand out. Let's make a handle out of silver straw. Catcha! Lend me your wheels. Attached. Final step. Cut the pieces and decorate the suitcase. Awesome! It's done! Here it is. A brand new suitcase just for you.
Oh, wow. It looks great. Better than what I thought. Hey! Look at my suitcase! You noisy thing!
Ooh. Here is your suitcase!
What? A golden suitcase? So irritating!
Wow! Isn't it beautiful? Looks like I found my seat. That's wonderful!
Stand up now!
Lily, you need to change your outfit before taking your seat. Oh, come on. Hey, let's make a really beautiful outfit for Lily. All right, we'll do this step by step. First, a dazzling bright yellow top. This golden balloon will give Mimi a really cute top. Go ahead and tear it open. Let these sparkly things decorate Mimi beautifully. Be patient now. All done. Now, what are Mimi's measurements again? We have to measure them very carefully. So beautiful. But what about my shoes? Don't rush. I'm coming right away. All done! Now you can go back to your seat. Oh, this outfit is really, really beautiful. Let's dance a little.
Wow, that actually looks pretty nice.
Stop right there! Mimi!
What is it this time?
You need to change into a glamorous outfit before taking your seat.
Change clothes again? That's ridiculous. I'm not changing.
She's really stubborn.
Ah! Help me!
Now let's give Mimi a brand new outfit. The top is done. Now it's time for the skirt. A sexy silver skirt is definitely the perfect match for Mimi. All done! Look how glamorous it is.
It's not bad, actually.
Now you can go back to your seat.
This outfit is actually nice. I should have listened to the attendant earlier.
The game machine is here.
Oh, there's a game machine too. That's fun. Let's play.
This really is an amazing experience.